Review is revenue. How do negative reviews affect your practice? As so well put by Abe Lincoln, reputation is like fine china. Once broken, it's very hard to repair. Abraham Lincoln. Businesses that have just one negative article ranking online risk losing over 20% of prospective customers. Character is much easier kept than recovered. Thomas Paine. Businesses with 4 or more negative articles can experience a loss of up to 70%. 90% of consumers report not frequenting a business with a bad reputation. If I take care of my character, my reputation will take care of itself. D.L. Moody. 87% of consumers report that they reverse a purchase decision if they read negative news or reviews about a business online. 60% of consumers say that negative reviews made them not want to use a business. See how tightly knit revenue is to your reviews. Bad news spreads faster than good news. In the US, we tell more people about poor service, up to 15 people, than about good experiences. There are 3 things that grow on their own: weeds, grass, and reputation. Chinese proverb. Degree of engagement: 4 bad reviews vs good reviews. When I attended a training about reviews, the person conducting the seminar said that negative reviews get much more engagement than positive reviews. He asked us to look at a random example of a FAQ company online. Sure enough, every negative review had about 7 responses from others and no engagement for the good reviews. I figured he was demonstrating a rare situation, and when I went home, I searched at random for a plastic surgeon. Guess what? For every negative review there was between 7 to 12 engagement. So, the negative reviews were drawing a lot more attention than the positive ones. So, we end up having to work 7 to 12 times harder to make up for a negative review than we do for a positive one. Shiraj MD. Would it be wiser for us to learn the ways to address the negative reviews and how to turn the negative ones into positive? A stitch in time. Now suddenly you will see why the executives of companies who care about growth and longevity of their companies place so much emphasis on positive reviews. How do we get rid of these pesky little or not so little, as they affect our revenue, reviews from off your Google My Business listings? Over 80% of consumers are likely to leave a positive review if they feel the business took the steps necessary, and are likely to leave a positive online review if the business had turned an initially negative experience into a positive one. We discuss the steps with our clients when we go over their specific situations. There are ways to decrease and turn negative reviews into positive ones, but it is not easy. To get help with Google reviews and how to turn a bad review into a good one, as we do for our clients, connect with us to learn more. Since 85% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. So, finding ways to get positive Google reviews for business becomes important. You can request a custom report, specially prepared for you, offered free of charge for a limited time, so you can see how your competitors are performing. Turning a few key leverage points can suddenly increase your business to new levels, as we see with our clients. For best results and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings, for potential new patients to trust you and book high revenue procedures with you. Subscribe to our playlist, request your free report at reviewisrevenue.com, and connect with us on LinkedIn to start building your unbeatable online reputation. Wishing you success. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia signing off.